Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with Digit, Steam It and Steam, and today I have a cake that I'd like to share you, but I won't be able to really lift it up because I like it like that. I like it right there, but as you can see, I will include the video of the cake, obviously, after I'm talking so much. Anyways, today I'd like to share you this the Nightmare Before Christmas theme cake. As you can see, there's Jack Skellington with his Santa's sleigh, and also Zero, his dog. So yeah, the cake inside is vanilla cake and it's covered with ganache. So I'm gonna show you the recipe for this. It's a really super easy cake, and if you have dairy or egg allergy, you might want to try this cake because it's without any of those. Dairy-free, eggless as well. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm twitching so much, sorry about that. So yeah, anyway, check out the full video, and let me show you how I also cover the cake with the ganache and also the fondant. Well, yeah, the fondant. For the fondant, if you are vegan, there are many brands that are vegan. Even Wilton's supposedly vegan, but you can also make. I know that many will think that marshmallow fondant, marshmallow has animal ingredient in it, but dandies actually can be used to make marshmallow fondant. It just with dandies it takes a little bit more time to melt it. You know how if you make marshmallow fondant, you have to melt the marshmallow first. With dandies, with regular marshmallow, it takes about 1.5 or 2 minutes in the microwave and it will melt nicely. But with dandies it takes longer, but it works because I did it a couple of times anyways already. So anyways, check out the full video and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye. So for the dry ingredients, what I have here: 3/4 cups of sugar, 1.5 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're gonna mix that. And then what I have here is the wet ingredient. It's 1 cup of water, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So we're just gonna pour it and mix it until just combine. I line the baking pan with parchment paper so that it will be easier for me to pull out the cake from the baking pan. Now that the batter is ready, we're gonna put it onto the baking oven. Is ready. We're gonna bake it at preheated 350 for about 30 minutes or until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Cake is baked. I'm just gonna cool it on the cookie rack before we start decorating. Perfect, nice vanilla cake. We're gonna try to make the ganache. This is 1/4 cup of almond milk. We're gonna heat it in the microwave for 1 minute, and then we're gonna stir in about 3/4 of dairy-free chocolate chips. That's 1, 2, and 3/4. This is just a small batch, so if you need it, you have to make more. But this is not gonna be a big cake, so it should be enough. You want to keep stirring until it's totally melted, and then you want to excuse me, leave it to stand until a bit thickened before you spread onto your cake. Now that the cake cooled down, I'm gonna try to prepare, and while we prepare the cake, while we wait for the ganache to thicken a bit, you can speed up this process by chilling it in the fridge if you want. I'm gonna choose, yeah, that one. My ganache is still soft, yeah, soft still, but I need this just to stack the cake before I try to shape it nicely. Alright, we're gonna slice it a bit there. So that's where Jack's gonna sit. And then that's the front side. Jack gonna sit here, and that's the front side, so we're gonna cut a little more. So it's like that, you can see it. Just gonna make it nicer a bit here. Then we're gonna cover the whole thing with chocolate ganache and cover it with fondant. Now we're gonna cover the whole cake with ganache. To smooth your ganache, you just have to dip your utensil or spatula in this case in hot boiling water. And you want them to be smooth so that when you cover it with fondant it's not bumpy. It's the same when you do it with buttercream. You want it to be smooth. That the cake is covered, we just have to clean the board and covered with ganache, and then we just have to clean the board and then we gonna roll. And that the fondant is rolled, it's ready to cover the cake. just have to decorate the cake as you wish. I have a hole there, but I'm not worried because I can cover it with any other decorations.